Due to the countless amounts of requests, I'm finally making the tutorial everyone has been asking for, and that is how to officially purchase Win-RAR. What's up YouTube, Jason here with Byte My Bits. You heard me right. I know you guys have been bugging me forever about how to do this. I'm finally bringing this to you, how to buy Win-RAR. I know it's a complicated process, but in today's video, I'm going to walk you through it step by step. So buckle down because we're about to go on a ride. Also, this video is totally not sponsored by Death Wish Coffee because I have drank way too much off of it. That's pretty much my entire life. I survive off of 300 milligrams of kick you in the face caffeine multiple times a day and Freshlies. So, you know, links to all of that in the description down below. Win-RAR does not really need an introduction. It is one of the most powerful and most used compression and decompression softwares on the market since like the early 90s, like 1993. I think. Win-RAR is so easy to use, so easy to compress, and so easy to decompress. Everybody just knows how to, it's like in our DNA. Like we're born, we know how to work Win-RAR. But even though Win-RAR is so easy to use, so intuitive in compressing and decompressing files, the biggest question is always, how do I support the creator of this amazing software? Stop dealing with those little pop-ups to say that your trial has expired. Stop downloading those files from the internet that gets rid of those pop-ups without actually paying Win-RAR creators what they're due. Instead, today, follow this tutorial step by step and get an exclusive Byte My Bits discount. That's right. Jason from Byte My Bits has teamed up, partnered with Win-RAR to give you an exclusive coupon code. I'm so excited right now. I can barely contain myself. Okay, partnered up is kind of a strong phrase, but I do have a discount code. So let's start things off. The first thing you want to do is go to win-rar.com. That's win-rar.com. Now, the first thing you're going to be greeted by is a revolutionary and completely up-to-date website with a ginormous green Buy Winrar button. Once you click on this button, it will take you directly to the purchase screen. Now, here is where the magic happens. So check this out. Win-RAR for a lifetime subscription is $29. That's it. You can compress and decompress as many files as you want to, which I know that's already a killer deal, and it really makes you like kind of feel guilty by abusing your expired trial period for so long. But it gets even better. If you were purchasing Win-RAR for multiple computers, now's the time to do it. If you are going to be installing it on all of your family computers, now is the time to do it because you can get a bulk discount. But hey, if you don't want to buy multiple copies of Win-RAR, I completely understand. So let's stick with the basic, a single license, $29. And for only an additional $4.35, you can guarantee that you will not only have the most up-to-date version of the software, but you will also get 1 full year of free premium Win-RAR support. I haven't tested this yet because Win-RAR just kind of works. I've never had a problem with it. So, you know, I don't know what they're supporting. The software is already perfect. But still, $4.35 guarantees that it's going to work. Moving on, this is the best thing you could possibly ever purchase. This is the best upgrade, the best DLC. Just imagine this as a DLC. For $9.99, you can own your very own physical copy of Win-RAR. That's right, for $10, they will send you a custom burned CD-ROM with a custom printed label directly to your house. This thing, if you're within the United States, actually came to me in 4-5 days. I don't actually have any way to read what's on this, but still, I have a copy of Win-RAR that I purchased. True, you will have to buy special hardware in order to be able to read what's on this device, but for $10, this is like the best trophy you could ever own. I think you know by now that if you are purchasing Win-RAR today, you absolutely have to get your physical copy of the CD. And here's where we get to the best part, because that's what everybody wanted, is the discount. Huge shout out to Win-RAR for partnering up with my little baby channel. I mean, we're talking legendary status. Win-RAR is partnering up with little bitty old baby Byte My Bits. At the bottom of this page, to qualify for your discount, the only thing you have to click is check to enter coupon code. It's a little checkmark box right next to that text. And in this box, type in capitalized letters BMB1. And yes, it does have to be capitalized letters. If you type in lowercase letters, it will not work. BMB1 will give you a solid $1 discount off of your entire purchase. That's whether or not you bought your trophy. You still get the discount. You can't beat this deal. Did I mention this stuff has 300 milligrams of caffeine in it and I kind of sort of have heart palpitations right now? Once you type in your Byte My Bits exclusive coupon code, go down to the bottom, fill out all of your personal information, and then select how you want to pay. Now here is where Win-RAR really takes it to the next level, because not only can you pay with a credit card, or you can pay with PayPal, but you can also pay with something called Pay Near Me, which literally you can go to your nearest 7-Eleven and pay in cash. Wow. As soon as you pick your payment method, you fill out all of your personal registration information, you click purchase, you'll be taken directly to the page where you can download your Win-RAR key. Then all you gotta do is open up this file in Win-RAR and it will automatically register Win-RAR. And that is it. I know this seemed complicated at the beginning of this tutorial, but it is surprisingly easy to purchase Win-RAR. So please stop flooding my email with requests for this tutorial. And if you guys run into any problems or have any questions or concerns, make sure to pay that extra $4.35 to purchase the 1-year premium support, because that's what it's there for. Well guys, that's it for today. As always, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe below, and have yourself a good day. So like what do you do with this? Like oh my God. Oh, it has a QR code on it too. Like, check it out. It has a QR code.